My new inspiration has arrived. Rovo's Energy Cube, a massage chair that truly understands you.
Like a pair of gentle, knowing hands, it finds exactly where you need relief the most.
.3D air compression and an intelligent massage mechanism work in harmony, lifting, kneading, and supporting your body. It feels like sinking into the clouds, an immersive spa experience at home. But it's more than that. It's my focus sofa, my relaxation chair, and the corner where inspiration begins. Work, unwind, or drift into a dream. It moves with me through every state of mind.
A wise guy, I was a bird.
You're a doctor. You're a doctor. And Howard, you know a lot of doctors.
Four smart programs designed to match your state and deeply restore every moment. Like an energy cube, it holds endless surprises. A sofa that massages, a personal playground, all in one. Recalibrating your comfort equation.